G.4. It's going to be a review. It's going to be putting everything that we've done on G1, 2, 3 and put it into 4 and see if we have retained anything. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides? There are 5. If you have a 5-sided polygon, what's its proper name? A pentagon. How many triangles from one vertex? N minus 2, which would be 5 minus 2, which would be 3, or 1, 2, and 3. Sum of interior angles. If we have 3 triangles, because I just found the 3, or 180 times n minus 2, 180 times 3 is 540. Measure of one interior angle. If all 5 of them add up to be 540, we would divide by 5, you get 108. Sum of exterior, always 360. And measure of one exterior would be 360 divided by 5, 72. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is an octagon. How many triangles from one vertex? N minus 2, which is 8 minus 2, which is 6. Sum of interior angles, take the 180 times the 6 triangles that you have inside and get 0, 48, 1080. Measure of one interior angle. That's not right. $10.80 divided by how many sides there was to begin with, which is 8. $135. Okay, that's this one. Sum of exterior angles, 360. There's no math on that one, is there? But if you have 8 exterior angles for a regular octagon, what would we do? We would take 360 divided by 8 and get 45. I knew that. Okay. The diagram shows a convex polygon. What is the sum of the interior angles? Sum would be n minus 2 times 180, which is 3 minus 2 times 180, which is 1 times 180, which is 180. But basically that makes sense because what is that? It's a triangle, and a triangle adds up to be 180 degrees on the inside. Sum of the exterior angles. We need to make sure that we are reading this correctly. So sum and exterior, 360. Again, math. Sum of the interior angles. So what's the formula for sum of the interior? 180 times n minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 sides, so 180 times 6 minus 2. 180 times 4, 360, 720. Seems that goes away. Why didn't you go away? Diagram shows a regular polygon. What's the value of x? So 1, 2, 3, 4. We take 180 times n minus 2, and we're going to divide it by n because that's the number of sides. So 180 times 4 minus 2 divided by 4. 180 times 2 divided by 4. 360 divided by 4. 90. You have one exterior angle. How many are all exterior angles? 360. How many exterior angles would we have on this one? 3, because there's a triangle. So we divide 360 by 3 and get 120. I knew that was going to do that. That's why I paused. There we go. Ooh, I cannot read those. Let's see if I can make it. We'll say this is 54, this is 78, and this is P. Hopefully I got those right. So interior, so it's a triangle. It adds up to be 180 on the inside. So 54 plus 78 plus P equals 180. I know I'm doing it the longer, drawn out way, but if case for some reason you had a harder problem, you might be able to talk your way through it. And then subtract the 132. So P equals 48. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you add all your V's up, you would get 9V. Oh my goodness. Oh, the light just came back on. I can actually see. So now we have 34, negative 41, negative 35, negative 11, and 17. I'm going to grab my calculator and put all of those in. Don't make any mistakes. Negative 41 plus 34 plus 17 minus 11 minus 35, negative 36. And why did I put 360? I know I put 360, but you shouldn't have. 360. So I added these up because they're exterior angles and I had all 5 of them. So how much do exterior angles add up to be? 360. So I added all those up and I set it equal to 360. We're going to add 36 there and get 396. And we're going to divide by 9. 9 goes into 39 4 times. 3 left over. Yeah, I'm checking myself. Thought I had it, then I lost it, but hey, I got it back again. So 44. Let's make sure we answer the question. We didn't have a question, so I'm making that the answer. B is 44. Same thing, we have 1 C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 C's. Then I'm grabbing my calculator. Negative 25 plus 50 plus 149 minus 19 plus 140. I hope that's an 8 plus 116 plus 4. Honestly, I forgot what I started with. I'm going to do it one more time. Negative 25 plus 50 plus 149 minus 19 plus 148 plus 116 plus 4. 423, okay. Alrighty now. So I set it up, but then I kind of got it ahead of myself, didn't I? Because I don't know what it equals. I don't know what it equals because this is a really strange figure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 angles. I need to know what they add, or I need to know their sum. So 180 times n minus 2, 180 times 8 minus 2, 180 times 6, 0, 48, 1080. So all of these angles are supposed to add up to 1080. So I'm going to put 1080 right there. We're going to subtract the 423. 1080 minus 423. 657. Divide by 9. 73. Let's see if there's a question. We're making a job question. How much is... Where did my 3 go? C equals 73. If an interior angle of a regular polygon measures 180, how many sides, regular polygon, how many sides does it have? Interior angle, 180. So, if I remember correctly, I have to look back on my notes. Nope, that's not. It's A, wasn't it? I could set it up again to figure it out, but the number of sides would be that. So if I did negative 360 times 10, or divided by 108 minus 180, let's see, negative 72, negative over negative is a positive, 360 divided by 72 is 5. There would have been 5 sides. Now, I'm saying that's the answer, but just since it's been a little bit since I've done this problem, I'm going to make sure. If I had 5 sides, that would be 180 times 5 minus 2 divided by 5, 180 times 3 divided by 5, 440, 108. Okay, just making sure. I didn't want to tell you wrong on everything else. So 5 would have been your answer.